Look at him go.
Hey, we got backwards luck now here.
28. Somebody put one on backwards. What woman done that?
Oh, Olivia. Did you hear him?
Hey, I ride horses, I don't ride on cars.
Oh, good.
Olivia. He naturally said, what woman did that?
Yeah,
Get on him.
45.
You didn't do it, Jacob did. No, he did that one. Oh, yeah, it was you.
Hey, my God, if I put him on there.
No, you did too.
Hey, he's blaming him. Hey, blame him.
1 minute.
I didn't do it. Coming over here, stand by you. They're all blaming me. Wait, you blame me too.
I didn't blame you. I just said, hey, how you gonna blame a woman? He's about to blow a gasket. Who? You see how red his face is?
Stop.